dapat ang pera ko is 284.62. Pero ang nakalagay sa invest money ko is 285.73. So, medyo tumubo na ako. Hi guys! Sa dati kong video na nakalink somewhere dito, pinakita ko sa inyo kung paano kayong pwedeng kumita gamit ang iba't ibang apps. In this video, ituturo ko naman sa inyo step by step kung paano kayo pwede pang kumita gamit ang GCash App. Hi guys, Tony here and I am here to teach you everything you need to know about money. Money hacks, money tricks, tips, investing, saving, lahat ng alam ko ituturo ko sa inyo. So don't forget to click the subscribe button and the like button and yung doorbell sign dyan para lagi kayong updated sa mga videos ko. Sa dati kong video, pinakita ko sa inyo paano kayo pwedeng maging loading center gamit ang GCash App. Okay, let's open the GCash App. So, ayan siya. Let's just browse through the loading center. Okay, so ayan, makikita nyo. This video is from my last video. So, makikita nyo na pwede kayong mag-load ng different numbers. May rebate yan. So, makakakuha kayo ng pera pabalik. Now, let's go sa iba pang paraan paano kayo pwedeng kumita gamit ang GCash App. Meron tayong process kung paano nyo pwedeng lagyan ng pera yung GCash App nyo. So, paano nga ba? Pwede kayong magpa-send ng money from your friends. So, GCash to GCash. Globe number lang naman yon. Ito siya. So, ito yung option ng friend mo So, they can click send money to you and then they can just click the express send or send ang ampaw or personalized send. So, it really depends on them. The other option kung paano kayo pwedeng maglagay ng pera sa GCash app nyo is by pressing the cash in button here. So, you can cash in your app over the counter. So, merong Touch Pay, eTap, Pure Gold, 7-Eleven. Note lang, pag ito yung ginamit nyo, meron kayong certain fees. Bihira na po ang libre ngayon. So, may instructions naman per payment center na pipiliin nyo. You can also cash in via online banking. So, sa mga banko nyo, online banking, you can use that also. Nakasulat naman dyan. This specific banks have charges. So, BPI, RCBC, Union Bank. You can also use your MasterCard or debit card to pay your GCash app. You can also click the remittance. Meron dyan PayPal, MoneyGram, Western Union. Now, let's go to the Invest Money feature sa app. Let's now click the Invest Money button here. Note lang na I have already done this, so hindi nyo makikita yung first steps nila. The first steps, you will be asked to input your email address and what type of investor are you. So there are actually 3 types of being an investor. And this is not just in GCash. It actually applies sa totoong buhay. So either you are a conservative investor, a moderately aggressive, or an aggressive investor. There are different types depending on your goal and yung kakayanan mo as an investor. Syempre, they're not forcing you to invest on something big. It really depends on how much you can spend or willing to spend. Yun na-explain ko na naman kung ano yung unang lalabas and then there will be an email notification for you. Ayan, yan yung email na sinend sa akin nung nag-start ako mag-invest. Before I start explaining this, let me explain real quick another type of investor. So, meron tayong 2 types of investors, the short-term and the long-term investors. So, the short-term means you want your money back quick as possible. 1 month, 2 weeks, 3 months. And then there are the long-term investors. So, you don't expect your money to be back in a year. Usually, nakikita mo yung investment mo at hindi mo siya kailangan kunin in 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. Ganun po yung mga long-term investor. I am more of a long-term investor. because I don't really need the money back ASAP. I just want it to grow. Kaya ko siya nabanggit is because this is like stock investing. So right now, si GCash actually has only one investment product, which is Atram. Atram is a market fund, money market fund. The objective of the fund is to maximize your income and achieve higher returns compared to regular bank deposits. So the goal is putting money in and then expect it to grow rather than just leaving your money in the bank, letting it stay there, because believe me, na mas mabilis pa ang pagtaas ng peso kesa sa interest mo sa bangko. If you just let your money stay there in the bank, it won't grow that much. So si Atram, if you can see, Atram is actually a conservative type of investment. Anong ibig sabihin nun? It means that this investment is good for those who are just starting out, yung mga wala pang idea about market funds, about investing. So basically, it's a low risk type of investment. So you won't really lose that big, but you will also not gain that high. Kasi nga, low risk, low return, high risk, high return, lagi niyong tatandaan po yan. So let's just click view details. If you can see, there's a graph here. What is this graph? This graph indicates the market right now. As you can see na pataas naman yung market right now. But again, in investing, there is no sure positive return. Pwede ding negative return. Pero since this is just a low risk, hindi natin kailangan problemahin masyado. So the market right now is going up. So it means if you invest now, or if you have invested earlier, medyo tumaas yung pera mo. Pero not that much. Sakto lang. Yung tipong cute. Yung mga ganon. So, as long as you keep track of the market, as you can see, hindi naman siya steady yung pagtaas niya, it's because it really depends on the market. So, if you can also see here na nakasulat dito, this data is just for the past 12 weeks. So, in the past 12 weeks, we have seen the market grow just a bit. Tingnan mo. 106.03, naging 106.1, naging 106.2, 0.28, 0.37. It really depends on the market. It's not steady. Hindi siya pare-pareho every week. Hindi siya laging pataas. May times din naman na pababa siya. You have also to take note that you have to track the market. If you see it going down, if you want to cash it out na bago lumala pa yung pagbaba niya. Diba? Ganon lang naman yun. Pero since this is just easy, you won't have to check on it every day. You can check on it every week if you want, every month. It's really not that big of a risk since yun nga, they are just a conservative type of investment. Okay, now how do you start investing? Paano ka magsa-start maglalagay ng pera? All you have to do is click the subscribe button. So let's click on it. And then enter the amount. Let's put, 100. Let's click done. So nakasulat dyan, standard processing time is 1 to 2 days after order placement. Let's click next. And then, so ayan, nakasulat, you are about to subscribe. All you have to do is, ang conversion ng 100 pesos is 0.93 units. So let's just click agree and then ito yung lalabas. Disclaimer lang. Then just read it if you want. And then let's click it done. And then we have to confirm again. And we're done. May magte-text sa inyo. So ito yung text sa akin. And they will also send you an email confirmation about it. So let's just click done. Ayan, nabawasan yung GCash ko if you saw it. So now that we have invested and we have waited, let's just click on the invest money button again. And I'll show you na medyo kumita naman tayo. So if you can see my pending orders, ito yung nangyayaring hindi pa napaprocess. So total subscription right now is 100, which is yung ginawa natin kanina. So, how do you know you are already earning money? Meron tayong transaction history dito. So, all you have to do is click it. Yan, makikita mo yung mga nangyari na. So, let's go from the start. So, I invested already last January with 60 pesos, 74, 100, 100, 100, and 50. Ang dami na. Tapos 100 kanina. So, let's see if I actually earned money. Let's just calculate it. So, lahat ng minus dyan, yan yung nilagay mo sa investment. So, let's just compute. So, ang total investment ko dapat is 484.62. Pero, kung mapapansin nyo, may mga plus sign dito. Ito naman yung mga kinuha ko na from the investment. So, if you can see, 150 and 50 pesos na yung nakuha ko. So, let's just minus 150 and 50. So, that's 200. So, let's just minus 200. Dapat, ang pera ko is 284.62. Pero ang nakalagay sa invest money ko is 285.73. So, medyo tumubo na ako. Pero like what I said, low risk, low return. So, kahit na medyo matagal na yung investment ko, maliit pa lang yung return ko. Pero, again, in investing, don't expect your money to be back ASAP. Medyo matagal siya, like 1 year, 2 years, ganon. So, let's see, maybe I'll do an update video about this. Kung okay ba talaga yung investment na to. Maybe after 6 months, yeah? So, if I minus it, 285.73, tumubo na po ako ng piso for the past few months of investing here. So maybe next time, tatry ko namang patagalin pa to. Tingnan natin kung magkano na yung tinubo ko. Okay? So, not bad, not bad. I'm not doing anything. I'm just putting money there. Extra money. Pwede ko naman i-cash out anytime. So, how do you cash it out? Let's say, okay ka na. Gusto mo nang makuha yung pera mo. May kailangan kang bayaran. All you have to do is click View Investment Products. View Details. Redeem. All you have to do is click Redeem. And then, let's say I have 285. Let's redeem 100. So, binili ko lang yung in-invest ko kanina. Okay, so let's just click Next. And then, like kanina, yung Unison is 0.93. So, let's just click Agree. As usual, lalabas yung user agreement. So, this is the redemption. Basahin nyo na lang and then click Done. Let's confirm. And order placed. May magte-text sa'yo and may mag-i-email din. So, let's just click Done and ito yung email. As you can see, hindi pa siya nagre-reflect sa GCash ko. It's because it takes a couple of days before they process and give me back my money. And that's it. That's everything I know about the GCash app. I hope you start investing and earning using that app. It's very, very easy. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below. Or if you have, or if you want me to try an app or an investment, let me know as well. Please don't forget to click the like and subscribe button and yung doorbell sign. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you again next time. Bye!